The rapid advancement of artificial intelligence is transforming our world at an unprecedented pace. From self-driving cars to AI-powered virtual assistants, AI is already changing the way we live, work, and interact with each other. This transformative technology is poised to revolutionize the job market as well, automating tasks, creating new opportunities, and reshaping industries. AI is not here to replace us but to augment our capabilities and free us from repetitive, mundane tasks. By automating these tasks, AI can unlock new levels of productivity, efficiency, and innovation across various sectors. This transformation presents a unique opportunity to redefine the nature of work, allowing humans to focus on more creative, fulfilling, and strategic endeavors. The Industrial Revolution, while initially met with resistance, ultimately led to unprecedented economic growth, improved living standards, and the creation of entirely new industries. Similarly, the AI revolution presents a chance to create a more prosperous and equitable future, but only if we embrace the change and adapt our skills to thrive in this evolving landscape. The key lies in understanding the dynamic interplay between AI and human capabilities, recognizing the unique strengths we bring to the table, and preparing ourselves to seize the opportunities that lie ahead. It's natural to feel apprehensive about the impact of AI on the job market. The fear of widespread job displacement is understandable, especially given the predictions that up to 40% of jobs could be affected by AI by 2030. However, it's crucial to remember that technological advancements have historically led to job creation, even as they displaced existing roles. The Industrial Revolution, for example, while automating many agricultural jobs, also created a surge in demand for factory workers, engineers, and other professions that emerged alongside new technologies. Similarly, the rise of computers and the internet, while initially causing disruption, ultimately led to the creation of countless new jobs in fields like software development, web design, and digital marketing. The World Economic Forum predicts that while AI could displace 85 million jobs globally by 2025, it could also create 97 million new roles in that same time frame. This suggests that the net effect of AI on employment could be positive, even as it significantly disrupts existing industries and job roles. This will require proactive measures from governments, educational institutions, and businesses to provide retraining opportunities, support lifelong learning, and equip individuals with the skills they need to succeed in an AI-driven world. While AI has the potential to impact nearly every industry, certain jobs are more susceptible to automation than others. Roles involving repetitive, rule-based tasks are particularly vulnerable, as AI systems excel at performing these tasks with speed and accuracy. This includes jobs in sectors like manufacturing, transportation, and logistics, where robots and AI-powered systems are already being deployed to automate tasks like assembly line work, driving, and warehouse management. Similarly, clerical and administrative roles involving data entry, scheduling, and other routine tasks are also at risk, as AI can automate these processes more efficiently. However, it's not just blue-collar and low-skill jobs that are at risk. AI is also capable of performing tasks that require cognitive skills, such as data analysis, financial forecasting, and even legal research. This means that even white-collar professionals in fields like finance, law, and accounting could see their roles transformed or even displaced by AI-powered systems. In many cases, AI will augment human capabilities rather than replacing workers entirely. For instance, doctors can use AI-powered diagnostic tools to improve accuracy and efficiency, while lawyers can leverage AI to analyze vast amounts of legal documents and identify relevant precedents. Understanding which tasks and roles are most susceptible to automation is crucial for individuals and organizations to adapt and thrive in this changing landscape. While AI excels at tasks requiring logic, data processing, and pattern recognition, it struggles with skills that are inherently human. These skills, often referred to as human-centric or soft skills, will become increasingly valuable in an AI-driven world. Creativity, for instance, is a uniquely human trait that AI has yet to replicate. While AI can generate art, music, and even write stories based on existing data, it lacks the ability to think outside the box, come up with truly original ideas, and infuse their creations with emotion and meaning. Emotional intelligence, or EQ, is another crucial human skill that AI lacks. EQ encompasses the ability to understand and manage our own emotions, as well as the emotions of others. Adaptability and problem-solving are also critical human skills that will be in high demand in an AI-driven world. The ability to think critically, analyze information, and make sound judgments will also be highly valued in an AI-driven world. While AI can process vast amounts of data, it's still up to humans to interpret that data, identify patterns, and make informed decisions based on their understanding of the context and potential implications. Section 5. The Rise of the Creators. Thriving in the Age of AI. As AI automates routine tasks and takes over jobs that rely heavily on data processing and repetitive actions, there will be a surge in demand for individuals who possess uniquely human skills. This new era will belong to the creators, the innovators, the empathizers, those who can leverage their human ingenuity to thrive alongside AI. This shift will create a surge in demand for professionals in fields that require creativity, emotional intelligence, and complex problem-solving. Artists, designers, writers, and musicians will find new avenues to express their creativity, leveraging AI tools to enhance their work and reach wider audiences. Entrepreneurs and innovators will play a crucial role in this new landscape, identifying opportunities to develop new products, services, and business models that harness the power of AI. The demand for professionals in human-centric fields like psychology, counseling, and social work is also expected to rise. As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, there will be a growing need for individuals who can help us navigate the ethical, social, and emotional implications of this technology. Educators and trainers will play a vital role in preparing future generations for an AI-driven world, fostering creativity, critical thinking, and a lifelong love of learning. Section 6: AI and the job market. A catalyst for growth. While the prospect of AI-driven job displacement is a valid concern, it's crucial to recognize that AI also has the potential to create new jobs and drive economic growth. History has shown that technological advancements, while initially disruptive, often lead to the creation of entirely new industries and job categories that were unimaginable before. The internet revolution is a prime example. The rise of the internet, while displacing jobs in traditional media and retail, created millions of new jobs in fields like e-commerce, digital marketing, social media, and app development. Similarly, AI is expected to spawn new industries and job roles that we can only begin to imagine. One area of significant growth is expected to be in AI development and maintenance. As AI systems become more sophisticated and integrated into various aspects of our lives, there will be a growing demand for AI specialists, data scientists, machine learning engineers, and other professionals who can design, build, and maintain these systems. Another area of potential growth is in AI-adjacent fields. This includes sectors like healthcare, finance, education, and transportation, where AI will create new opportunities for professionals who can leverage this technology to improve efficiency, productivity, and innovation. This requires a focus on continuous learning, upskilling, and reskilling to stay ahead of the curve and seize the opportunities that AI will create. Section 7: Navigating the Future: Essential Skills for an AI-Driven World. To thrive in an AI-driven world, individuals will need to develop a unique combination of technical and human-centric skills. While AI will automate many tasks that rely on technical expertise, it will also create a surge in demand for individuals who possess the creativity, emotional intelligence, and adaptability to work alongside these advanced systems. On the technical front, proficiency in areas like data analysis, programming, and AI-related technologies will be highly valuable. Understanding how AI systems work, being able to interpret data generated by these systems, and possessing the skills to develop and implement AI solutions will be crucial for success in many industries. However, technical skills alone will not be enough. In an AI-driven world, human-centric skills will be equally important, if not more so. Creativity, critical thinking, and problem-solving will be essential for navigating complex situations, finding innovative solutions to emerging challenges, and thriving in roles that require human ingenuity. Strong communication and collaboration skills will also be paramount. As AI systems become more integrated into the workplace, individuals will need to be able to communicate effectively with both humans and machines. The ability to work effectively in teams, share ideas, and collaborate on projects will be crucial for success in this new landscape. Section 8: Education and Adaptation. Keys to Unlocking AI's Potential. The rapid advancement of AI presents both challenges and opportunities for education systems worldwide. Traditional education models, often focused on rote learning and standardized testing, are ill-equipped to prepare students for the demands of an AI-driven world. To bridge this gap, education systems need to shift their focus from memorization to cultivating critical thinking, problem-solving, and creativity. Students need to develop a deep understanding of how AI works, its potential impact on society, and the ethical considerations surrounding its use. Integrating AI into the curriculum itself is crucial. Teaching students the basics of coding, data analysis, and AI principles from a young age can empower them to become creators and innovators in this new landscape. It's equally important to foster their creativity, critical thinking, and problem-solving abilities, enabling them to thrive in roles that require uniquely human skills. Lifelong learning is no longer a luxury, but a necessity in an AI-driven world. Governments and organizations have a crucial role to play in providing access to affordable and accessible reskilling and upskilling programs. Universities and educational institutions need to adapt their curriculum to meet the evolving demands of the job market. Section 9. Embracing the transformation, a call to action. The AI revolution is not a distant future scenario, it is happening now. Embracing this transformation and adapting to the changes it brings is not just an option, but a necessity for individuals, businesses, and societies to thrive in the coming decades. For individuals, this means embracing a growth mindset, continuously learning and adapting to the changing demands of the job market. Identify your strengths, explore how AI can augment your capabilities, and be proactive in seeking out opportunities to upskill or reskill. Businesses need to embrace AI as a tool for innovation, efficiency, and growth. This involves investing in AI technologies, upskilling their workforce, and creating a culture of adaptability and continuous learning. Embracing AI is not about replacing human workers, but about leveraging this technology to empower them, optimize processes, and unlock new levels of productivity. Governments have a crucial role to play in shaping policy and regulatory frameworks that foster responsible AI development and adoption. By embracing this transformation, investing in education and adaptation, and fostering collaboration between governments, businesses, and individuals, we can harness the power of AI to create a more prosperous, equitable, and fulfilling future for all. Section 10. Are you ready for the shift? The AI revolution is not a spectator sport, it's a call to action for each of us to adapt, evolve, and define our roles in this rapidly changing world. The choices we make today will determine our place in the future. Are you ready to embrace the challenge and seize the opportunities that lie ahead? Or will you get left behind? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Thanks for watching.